Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree from With Live Bree, and today I have an unboxing for ScrapDiva Designs. So I am back to designing for her as a part-time designer. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the February release, which I am so excited to show you guys. I actually haven't seen it myself. I've just been waiting to get the package in, so I'm really excited to share with you guys what is in this upcoming release. I'll make sure to have any links down below for you guys that you can use, and I do earn a small commission from that link, so if you guys do use it, I do earn a small commission from it. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So like I said, I have not opened this yet. I'm just gonna use this here. Okay, so excited, you guys. All right. So here it is. Got some of the dies here. Ooh, I haven't designed for her in a while, and you guys, she has colored dies. I am so excited. So here it is, scrapdivadesigns.com. Again, I'll have all the information linked down below for you guys. So first thing that we have here is a cute tag die and stamp set, and it is Valentine theme. So there's date, invitation, keepsake, Cupid, chocolate, precious, love you, handsome, darling, amazing, kindness, and gifts. And then you can stamp those on this cute little tag. And then there's this stamp set, and so these ones right here are Valentine's. Sorry, these are Valentine's Day themed sentiments. So there's Little Miss Heartbreaker, that's cute. Love is sweet like cupcakes. Stealing hearts like Cupid. Stealing hearts like. And then there's Whisked with Love. You hold the key to my heart. Will you be my Valentine and always and forever? So that's really cute. So a couple stamps there. And then this one right here is a 3D locker die. And you guys, this color die is so pretty. Like, I don't even know if you guys can see that metallic like green color. It's really pretty. But this is a 3D locker. I'm so happy that I am part of her design team again. I had so much fun being her design team, being part of her design team previously, so I was so happy to have heard from her to design with her again. Ooh. So yes, this does come with all the dies you need to create the 3D locker. So that's going to be really fun to play with. And this is the heart bottle shaker. I haven't made shakers in quite a while, so this is going to be really fun. And then you have a cute die here. It says Love Potion that embosses, and then the little corks that go inside. Ooh, a flower die. You guys already know I love these. This is the Amaryllis Flower, and it comes with the leaves. And again, look at the color of her dies. So pretty. I cannot wait to use this. And then this one right here is called the Planner Paperclip set. How cute is this? This die is so cute. I love this like doily heart. Every time she comes out with these hearts, I always fall in love with them. So that is the Paperclip. And then these are some ovals. This is the Love Bundle nesting set, and they are they have little hearts that are die cut on the edge of the oval. And then this one right here is a flip top box. And then there's a little tag that you can die cut the word love and layer it on top and put some little gifts inside. And then the last two, this one right here, which is is this like a little gnome? Oh, how cute. A Baker Gnome die. I don't have any Baker Gnome dies though, so this is going to be really fun because I have been eyeing a bunch of gnome dies. So this is actually really exciting because I've been wanting to play with some gnomes. So I can't wait to be able to put some together and show you guys how they turn out. And then the last one is this nesting heart, and it's called a double stitch. It's a double stitch heart nesting die. And this is what it looks like. So cute. I love that the embossing, the faux stitching is on both sides. So if you were to make like a little window on a card or a project, you get the faux stitching on not only the die cut piece, but also you get it on the actual project itself. So it'll have a decorative edge. So that's really, really cute. So this is the release that I had received. If you guys are interested in any of these dies or the stamps, I will make sure to have the names of those down below. And if you guys would like to use my link, I will go ahead and put that down below as well, so you guys can shop through there. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing today's video. Let me know down in the comments below which dies you plan on purchasing, or if you already got them. But I can't wait to share with you guys what I create with these, and I hope you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that y'all are watching this, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!